Hello friends, it's me Tanishk and welcome back to my channel Easy Learn with Tanishk. I hope you are practicing your English listening and speaking skills. I'm also practicing it along with you. So I hope you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates of my videos. Please like this video and share it to your friends, family members and colleagues to improve their English also. So, in today's episode, we will discuss about 10 healthy habits that can improve your overall well-being. So, about the first healthy habit is getting up early. As getting up early can improve your physical, mental, emotional well-being because in morning there's more productivity as morning are very quiet and distraction free, making it easier to focus. Better mental health reduces stress by giving you extra time to plan your day. Healthier lifestyle can also be encouraged by getting up early as there is consistent sleep patterns, healthy breakfast and exercises there, and you can also do some healthy exercises, and it can also regulate your rhythm, and by the morning sunlight it boosts up your vitamin D. So I hope you have your notebooks and pens ready. As if you came up across any new words, you should write it in your notebook. So um, the second healthy habit is regular exercises and yogas, as exercises boost up your strength and endurance and improve your muscle tone and other health. It also burns calories and increases your metabolism. It lowers the blood pressure and improves your circulation. By doing yoga, it increases your flexibility and prevents injuries and stiffness. It also lowers the blood pressure, reduces stress hormones. So the third step is um, um, healthy healthy breakfast or healthy diet. Yes, healthy diet can also be a part of a healthy habit, as having a healthy balanced diet can boost your energy levels and support your healthy weight measurement. It also improves the digestion and gut health. We should not eat junk food every day, as it can increase the risk of the heart diseases, and it also and a healthy diet promotes healthy skin and hair. So the third healthy habits is hydrating yourself. A average person should at least drink 1 liter of water every day, as when you sleep at night, the body mostly consumes your water from the body for the life processes like digestion, as it is necessary. So your body will be dehydrated while you are sleeping and excess water will be released. So your body, as it is dehydrated in the morning, you should hydrate it by drinking adequate water. So the fifth healthy habit is reading books. Yes, reading books can be considered as the best habits you can develop. It not only entertains but it also enhances your mental, emotional and cognitive well-being. It enhances the brain function and expands the knowledge and vocabulary. By reading books, as you have know that it can also improve your English listening and speaking skills. It can also enhance the focus and the concentration. It boosts up your creativity and imagination and aids in better sleeping. So the sixth step is the adequate sleeping hygiene. Yes, sleeping hygiene promotes quality sleep as and improve the overall well-being. It can also have the physical, mental and emotional benefits. By improving your sleep quality, uh, you fall asleep faster and sleep asleep longer, and it reduces the tossing turning nighttime awakenings. It also boosts up your energy levels and immune system, and it also enhances the brain function and supports the heart health. Average man, average healthy man should sleep around 8 hours to 9 hours daily, and it also promotes the healthy weight measurement. So about the seventh healthy habit is clean environment. Yes, for the clean environment, like when you sit when you sit for study or doing some work, your surrounding should be clean. As when you sit for study, um, and if there is a dirty environment around you, there will be no concentration in your studies or the work you are doing. So it the healthy and clean environment should be there, and please be sure to tidy up your room. The eighth healthy habit is limiting the screen time. You should reduce the excessive use of phones, computer and social media, and you should not use the mobile phones or tablets before 30 minutes of sleep 30 minutes for of sleeping. You should not use the mobile phones. And the about the ninth step is that we should manage the stress. We should use the mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing or hobbies to reduce stress, as stress is a very harmful for a human being, and can mentally or physically or behaviorally torture a person. So about the 10th or the last healthy habit is setting up small and achievable goals. Yes, setting up small and achievable goals can uh, improve your efficiency in achieving the goal. For example, achievable goal like learning around two new words every day to improve your vocabulary, or some reading one book per month, and or you should reduce the social media usage to 1 hour per day. So that is for today, friends. I hope you have liked my video, and you should act upon these healthy habits and perform this in your daily life. So thank you if you have watched till the end. Thank you and have a nice day.